Austin Powers is on. Yeah, alright. Not bad. What's up, everybody? I am just a Fil-Am trucker, and I'm here in Blairsville. I'm at a hotel, but the thing is, good news, I am back to work. I'm trying to get back into the flow of things. I'm back in the truck. It's not my old truck I had to give up, but it's, yeah, they put me in a new truck. It's been detailed and everything. It's still a 2018, which I kind of like better. I like the way the engine runs in them. They got the Cummins engine. It is currently 9 something in the evening. It's like, I don't know the time right now. It's like 9:30 in the evening or something. So they'll get to it probably 10 in the morning. I'll be ready to go and roll out, pick up my first load. Yeah, I just hitched a ride with another driver. I rode with him. He helped deliver his load, and then he had to do a PM here in Blairsville at the terminal, and yeah, brought me here, so it all worked out. So just a recap of what happened. Back in April 18th, I fell and injured myself. Fell from the deck. I fractured my wrist on that, and I went to the hospital the next day, and the fracture wasn't so bad, at least, but ironically enough, it wasn't so bad, but where it was located makes it not as easy to heal, I guess. So, because there's all these delicate bones here, but slowly but surely, I got more range. As you can see, my range is back. It's just like 90% there. The strength is slowly but surely getting there. But yeah, the doctor gave me the go to come back to work. So yeah, I did some help another driver unload and untarp and roll up the tarp and everything. So it was there. It's not, I guess it's not as strong, and it's still a little sore, but I guess with time and therapy it will get better. Well, hopefully, fingers crossed. But yeah, right now I'm just waiting to get in my truck and get back into the flow of things. And yeah, I guess I'll be getting a load that's going to Raleigh, North Carolina, or going to North Carolina, or Charlotte, North Carolina, I forgot. But yeah, so hopefully I can be more in touch, or get in touch with you guys more. Sorry I haven't been posting that much, but yeah, I've been busy with other channels and other things since I've been out. I haven't been doing much trucking, just sitting around. But yeah, I have like driving channel. Well, this channel, I guess I'll post some of my drive-throughs once I hook up the cameras and everything. Drive through cities, and I do have drone footage I may put up. Yeah, I have another channel dedicated for drone footage, but like trucking related drone footage I might put on this channel. I'll put the links below to where you can go for the drone channel. So yeah, so I'll probably give you a tour of the new truck. It's pretty much the same layout, but I guess once I move everything back into that truck, I'll show you around, right? It should be cleaner. I'm gonna do my best to keep this one tidy and clean, because I'm a bit of a pack rat, so I'm not gonna try to clump everything in there. So yeah, I'll keep in touch with you guys, and hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Despite the low content, but I'll try to do my best to post more on a regular, consistent basis. And if I don't, you can unsubscribe. So yeah, so till next time, till the next video, peace.